You've heard the phrase buy low, sell high a million times, right? But nobody tells you how to actually do it. It sounds simple on paper. Wait for price to dip, buy the low, sell when it rallies. But when you're in the middle of a live market trying to figure out whether the trend is reversing or just taking a breather, it's way more complicated than it sounds. That's exactly where the SMRT Algo TPO and Smart Money Toolkit come in. These two tools work together like a sniper and a spotter. One tells you where the price is likely to turn, and the other tells you if the moment is right to pull the trigger. The goal of this video? To show you exactly how to combine these tools to time your entries and exits like a pro, buying when price is cheap and momentum is shifting, and selling when price is expensive and ready to reverse. Let's break it all down. The SMRT Algo TPO is built for precision. It shows you when price is overbought or oversold, giving you clear momentum signals with colored dots. Green dot, price is oversold and likely to reverse upward. Red dot, price is overbought. Brace for a correction or full reversal. That's your timing tool. It tells you when to be looking for setups. But how do you know where to buy or sell?
I don't know.
That's where the Smart Money Toolkit comes in. It gives you an incredible visual of the high-low equilibrium zones, showing you whether price is in a premium or discount zone. Think of it like a pricing gauge. When price is in the discount zone, that's where Smart Money hunts for longs. When it's in the premium, that's where they offload or go short, and it gets even better. The toolkit also marks strong and weak highs and lows. This is one of the most underrated tools in the entire suite. If you're looking to go long and the current low is marked strong, that's your cue. Price is more likely to respect that low and reverse upwards. But if that low is weak, it's a signal that it could be swept before any real reversal happens. Same logic for highs. If a high is weak, price is more likely to break through it, grabbing liquidity. If it's strong, the high may hold and price could reverse. And to tie it all together, the toolkit also plots market structure, like change of character and break of structure. So you're not just relying on zones, you're seeing real-time confirmations that the trend is actually shifting. Let's bring it together in a real example. Right here, price has pulled back into a discount zone, and the toolkit marks the recent low as strong. That's exactly what you want in a long setup. It means the level is likely to hold, not break. Moments later, the TPO prints a green dot, showing that momentum is shifting bullish. At this point, you've got a strong foundation. Price is in a cheap area. The strong low gives you confidence it will hold. TPO confirms momentum is turning. The last thing is to wait for a market structure confirmation. Once a bullish change of character or break of structure forms, you enter long. Set your stop just under the last key low and target the recent high. Price respects the level, holds, and buyers step in. The market rallies, and you're riding a clean, confident trade. Now let's flip it to a short trade. Price is climbing into a premium zone, and the toolkit highlights the recent high as strong. That's your green flag. Price will likely respect this level and retest. As expected, price retests this level, and the TPO prints a red dot, telling you sellers are stepping in. Do you short immediately? No, you wait. Moments later, the toolkit prints a bearish change of character, confirming the shift. You enter short, stop loss above the high. Take profit at the discount zone. Price collapses, and you catch the move from the very top. No guessing, no emotions, just clean confirmations across the board. But everything can't go as planned, so let's take a look at one more example. Right here, we have a clean short setup. Price is at premium zone, and TPO just printed a overbought signal, but the current high is weak. This means price will likely break above this level, and we don't force the short trade, and neither chase the breakout. Instead, we wait for the market to decide where it wants to really go. And in this situation, we want to look for three things. First of all, we want to wait because this can be just a liquidity sweep, and the price can reverse downwards in any moment. Then, we want to look for market structure. If the price breaks this level and forms a bullish change of character or break of structure, it could be a real breakout, and we may need to change our plans. And lastly, we look for order blocks supporting the move. If we see a bullish order block with a lot of buying pressure, the price will likely break the resistance level and then pull back to the order block before making another push upwards. But if there's order blocks above this support level with a lot of selling pressure, this breakout will be likely fake, and price will reverse into the downside. This strategy isn't about predicting the market, but looking for what the market really wants, and then entering with the market, not against it. So the next time you hear, buy low, sell high, know that it's more than just a catchphrase. With the TPO indicator and the Smart Money Toolkit, it becomes a real executable strategy. You're no longer trading based on guesswork. You're trading with precision. If you're ready to start using this strategy, hit the link in the description to get access to the Smart Money Toolkit and TPO indicator. And if you got value from this video, drop a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite feature from this toolkit? This has been your guide to buying low, selling high, the smart way. See you in the next one.